everyone. Happy New Year. Hello, courageous ones. I'm out here with Raziel, and it's pretty darn chilly this first few days of the year. Yeah, hi, buddy. Hey, I want to invite you to the Catch Your Vision 2022 annual workshop I do. This year it's going to be 4 parts, and it will be on Zoom, so it's going to be easy to participate. And while I was doing part of the process, which is looking back, the last few days, and this morning especially, I'm so grateful to have this process because I nearly forgot. I don't know how, but I nearly forgot that I lived in another location for the first 5 months of the year at our winter location. And that blew my mind a bit. But also, I would forget all the things I was reflecting on and my awarenesses. And a big one was, gosh, why do I say yes when I really want to say no? Or why don't I speak up when I disagree with something? So those were a lot of my reflections early on last year when so much chaos was happening. So anyway, it's part of the process. I would love for you to join me. I'd love to support you. We start Thursday night on Zoom at 6 p.m. Mountain Time. It's not too late to register. And just because the calendar says it's the next year, it's so important that we go through this process of really looking at where we've been and what we've learned about ourselves and celebrate what we've accomplished. So, hope to see you.